Hello friends, welcome back to Home Sense with Nell. Today I'm so excited to collaborate with the DIY Mommy for the Fall DIY and Decor Challenge. DIY Mommy is an awesome creator here on YouTube. She has a great boho chic style. She's an expert in sewing, decorating, and building anything she needs for her own home. After you watch my video, please check out the playlist down below to see all of the other awesome creators, as well as please go visit the DIY Mommy's channel. I'm sure you'll love it. So thanks friends, today I want to share with you this DIY Dollar Tree tiered tray that I made. I made it from just a few Dollar Tree items. All in all, it cost me about $3 to $4 worth of items, and I also used other things that I already had in my house. If you want to see how I did it, stick around. Here at Home Sense with Nell, I like to talk about DIYs, product hauls, gardening, cooking, and basically everything relating to making your home your sanctuary, all on a budget. If that's your thing, please subscribe and comment. I'd love to hear from you. So guys, I went to my favorite store, Dollar Tree, and I wanted to see what was new in the home decor aisles. I found these beautiful acrylic bowls and platters and decided I would try to do a project with them. The platters I actually ended up saving for another project, but I did use the bowls, and I also used these cordial glasses, which were 6 for $1. Each bowl or platter was also $1. After I removed the labels, I went ahead and spray painted them white with this lacquer spray paint that I already had. I did about 2 or 3 light coats, and actually my husband was nice enough to help me. I also sprayed the inside of the cordial glass. Now notice I didn't spray the insides of the bowls or the outside of the cordial glass, just in case I was going to plan to put any food inside of my tiered tray. I didn't want it to come in contact with the paint. So once everything was painted and dry, I brought it inside and I placed glue on both sides of the cordial glass so that it can act as a support for the upper tier of the tray. Next, I took some of the fabric that I purchased at Dollar Tree for $1 per roll, and I cut it into 4 squares, and I folded each in half, kind of like a bandana, and used it to line each of the 2 bowls. And for the top bowl, I just simply lined the bowl with 2 overlapping, not bandanas, but pieces of fabric. And this is just an example of what the fabric looked like at Dollar Tree. I bought an extra one. So to style or fill my tiered tray, I also used Dollar Tree pumpkins. These are ceramic. I think they're very pretty. They have a nice leaf detail and they look hand painted. I also picked up these pine cones at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 a bag, but they were 40% off. So that was a pretty good deal. And then I had these leaves left over from a wreath I bought maybe 5 years ago. I've been using portions of the leaves here and there. And I also have this eucalyptus garland, which was purchased from Hobby Lobby a while ago for about, I believe it was 50% off. So that was probably about $12. You can probably find something comparable at Dollar Tree when you look in the stick section or the pick section. So here I'm just pulling off some eucalyptus leaves and berries to use them as a filler in the tiered tray. I really like the look of eucalyptus. It reminds me of fall. I grew up in Northern California and we have those beautiful tall eucalyptus trees up in the hills. So next I laid some of the pine cones on top of the eucalyptus leaves. And I added just a few of these oak leaves for a little bit of color. And I used a few pine cones as a base for the ceramic pumpkins so they would be elevated so that you could see them peeking out of the top of the tiered tray. So as a final touch, I'm just placing the ceramic pumpkins on the top tier of the tray. They are a bit heavy, so I want to make sure I balance out the weight okay. And this is pretty much going to be the final look, guys. I'm really happy with it. I can't believe that for $2.50 you can make your own tiered tray from Dollar Tree items. I'll probably place this either on my dining table or my coffee table to enjoy throughout the season. So once again, I want to thank Christina over at DIY Mommy for issuing this awesome collab. Please check out the playlist of all the other creators. I'm sure there's going to be some great fall projects. And lastly, I would love to thank Universal Beats for the music for my video. Thanks, Universal Beats. Until next time, this is Nell.